Good. All right, so for our experiment, we're gonna add water, 1 part water to here, and 1 part oil. And we're gonna wait. We'll talk about that one in a minute.
Okay.
We're gonna wait until, what do you see happening when I put the oil in the water? What happened? Look here.
It has that and then that.
It separates, it doesn't mix together, right? Because the water is heavier than the oil. So the water is on the bottom and the oil floats on top. They don't mix.
That's cool.
Yeah. So usually what you see on YouTube and on TikTok in these lava lamp experiments is people put food coloring and then alka-seltzer. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna figure out other fun ways to do this experiment, right? So let's add some food coloring to our little lava lamp. Go ahead, add your food coloring.
Oh, these caps are going really bad.
Okay.
Whoa, look at that.
Cool.
They're being really weird.
Okay.
They're floating
Yeah.
down to the
Some of them sink, don't they?
Those are all sinking.
Okay, so now we're gonna drop the alka-seltzer in, and this creates a fizzing effect. So let's see what happens to make our lava lamp. Put that in your glass. Whoa. Oh, look, Lily. Whoa, look at it shooting up.
Oh.
That is an active lava lamp. Cool, look at that. It looks like the tornado's brewing in there.
Because it's called a tornado.
Look at that.
This thing. Together.
Whoa, that is neat, huh?
That is very cool. Can we touch them when they...
I don't know. Maybe we can just look at it like we would a lava lamp. Okay, so we wanted to figure out what's something like alka-seltzer that makes a fizzing or bubbling effect. So we came up with vinegar and baking soda. So let's see if vinegar and baking soda has the same effect as the alka-seltzer. So let's see here. So we're gonna do half water, half oil.
Alkazelter?
No, we're gonna do baking soda and vinegar this time because they make a fizzing effect together.
How do we open this thing?
It's already open. So can you, actually we wanna do our food coloring first and then we'll add our fizzy. Go ahead, do some
I want to do some green.
food coloring. Good deal.
Whoa.
Okay.
Can we do
Now we can add our baking soda and our vinegar. So can you add some baking soda? Okay, and now let's pour in some vinegar. Pour in some vinegar. And let's see what happens.
Whoa, it's doing the same thing.
Whoa. Add a little bit more vinegar and see if we can get that lava lamp brewing. Cool. So which one do you like better?
I really like that one.
That one was cool, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to see if
And
we
that one.
do you want to see what would happen if we did like 4 of the alka-seltzers?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's going to be different than 1? What's your hypothesis? What's going to happen if we do 4 alka-seltzer instead of just 1?
It's going to be different.
How?
I don't know.
Do you think it's going to explode to the ceiling, or do you think it's going to look just like that?
It's going to explode to the ceiling.
You think? Okay, so that's your hypothesis. It's going to explode to the ceiling. Okay, let's see. Hold on, we got to put our oil first, then our food coloring.
Do our food coloring. I'm gonna do this one. This one red? I guess so.
Yeah, red or pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one's
Okay, put in your food
reddish.
coloring.
Pink.
Good. Okay, that's good.
I know when it's all good.
Good deal. Okay. Now, do one at a time. See what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, look at it. Look at that lava lamp.
It's doing the same thing. But it's exploding.
Wow.
It's exploding. It's like lava.
Yeah, it kind of makes it harder to see the bubbles, right?
Yeah.
Than in this one. All right, Lily, so which one was your favorite today?
I guess that one.
The one alkaselter? I like that one too. So what do you want to tell people?
Give a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe at the button.
To Lily's Adventure. Bye.